Welcome everyone to the world famous Harley-Davidson of Brandon. Today I've got for you this remarkable used 2013 Sportster Iron 883. This bike starts out front with the classic fork gaiters, black triple tree clamps and lowers, single disc brakes, and a 13-spoke contrasting cast aluminum wheels. The black forward controls, rubber mounted air-cooled 883cc Evolution V-twin engine with 5-speed transmission, chrome staggered exhaust, the upgraded drag specialty slip-on mufflers, fully adjustable rear shocks, wraparound rear fender with the integrated stop tail turn lights and breakaway license plate frame. We've got the deep bucket style solo seat, 3.3 gallon fuel tank, and then Slam Cafe style bars with underslung mirrors. This bike is in black denim, has just had a fresh service on it. It's in stock, ready for immediate delivery. Only has 7,089 miles on it. We finance used Harley-Davidsons up to 72 months, and be sure to ask about our Fly and Ride program. Options and accessories on this bike retail at over $500. And here at the world famous Harley-Davidson of Brandon, all our bikes are fully serviced and safety inspected. We take anything on trade, import motorcycles, cars, campers, trailers, boats, RVs, ATVs. You name it, we take it as long as we don't have to feed it. We're rated #1 customer service, have over 1,200 new and previously enjoyed motorcycles for you to choose from, and we ship used bikes anywhere in the world. For more information on this iron, click the link below, and to view the rest of our mind-blowing inventory, visit us at hgflorida.com. We're always open 24/7. And remember, have one rocking, smoking, adrenaline-filled Harley day.